Magandang umaga Pilipinas and hello world! My name is Ryan and welcome to Cupcakes Ball. Today's video is all about BTS Fake Love. I've got so many requests from you guys about BTS. If you're a true BTS army like me, you've probably seen the Fake Love video about 100 times. And you would know J-Hope was laying on a bed of SNICKERS. So today's cupcake may look like it's a plain white vanilla cupcake, but inside it's a SNICKERS cupcake. Hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to be the first to know when a new video comes out. Also include creator posts. And make sure to check my community tab for exclusive YouTube creator content. To make the SNICKERS cupcakes, first, we start off with our Cupcake Spell Magic Batter. If you don't know how to make a Cupcake Spell Magic Batter, you can click the I above me or you can check the details below. I have my full recipe there. The first step in making this cupcakes is to divide it into 4 and make 4 flavors of cupcakes. The next step is to add all your ingredients to your separate bowls. I have here 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup with some chopped nuts, and I'm gonna add that to our magic batter. We'll give them a little stir. Next, I have here some melted marshmallows and some malt extract, and then we add that to our magic batter to create the nougat layer of our cupcake. And then, I have here a couple teaspoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder, and then we add that to our magic batter. That's going to create the chocolate layer of our cupcake. That smells so good. The next step is to add white food coloring on the rest of your magic batter. We add a couple of drops, and then we give them a little stir. Woo! So we're going to use this white cupcake batter to cover the rest of the layers of our cupcake. Don't forget to check the details below for the full recipe and the instructions. And now we transfer our cupcake batter into our cupcake liners. Then our nougat. And then our chocolate. And then, we bake this for 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fake love! 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 The next step is to cut the top and the bottom part of your cupcake and then cut them into small squares. Once you cut the top and the bottom part of your cupcake, it's gonna look something like this. So you're gonna do that on all the layers of your cupcakes. So we have here our caramel, our nougat, and our chocolate. So you cut them into small squares using a bread knife. So once you have your small squares, you cut them in half. So you do that on all of your small squares. You assemble them by first starting with your caramel part, and then your nougat, and then the chocolate. Once you have all the layers stacked up, we put them into our cupcake tins. And then we use the rest of our plain white vanilla cupcake batter and cover the rest of the cupcake. And then, you're gonna do this to as many cupcakes as you want. And then after that, we're gonna bake this for an additional 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.